Imagine a world where all science is destroyed. Every fact gone. In a few thousand years from that, what we'd start to see is the same science coming back exactly as it was. This is because the same experiments would have the same results, which would lead to the same conclusions and theories today. And this is the rigorous testing that science uses in order to unlock the very mysteries of the universe and to advance our healthcare and our technology. Despite this, there are small groups of people who do not believe in the science. Anti-vaxxers, for example. Anti-vaxxers are a small group of people who do not believe in vaccination works or are safe, which is completely untrue. Vaccination is in fact one of the most incredible scientific discoveries of all time. It is based on being exposed to a small amount of a weakened bacteria or virus which causes a disease. Your immune system then attacks this, and specialized cells in your immune system, known as B cells, will remember that for the rest of your life. So if you were ever exposed to that disease again, your immune system will be able to kick in and combat it. Now, vaccination works well. It works so well, in fact, that it's gotten rid of a disease known as smallpox, which used to kill between 300 million to 500 million people in the 20th century. Now, we are sure that science works, and we are sure that vaccinations are in fact safe. Despite this, a question anti-vaxxers will often ask is, if we're so sure our vaccines work, we're so sure they're safe, why are we afraid if they are unvaccinated? Because after all, we have the vaccines, so theoretically we should be protected. This is due to a concept known as herd immunity. So herd immunity is based on the concept, if most of a population is vaccinated, then a disease will be really contained and can't spread. I have a model here of balloons. The green balloons represent vaccinated and red balloons represent unvaccinated. And as you can see here, the disease can only really live in this small percentage, which is about 10% of the population, and has nowhere to go because so many people are vaccinated. But this is what happens when people stop vaccinating. We start to see that there's more. This is a model where only 50% of the population is vaccinated, and we can actually see that the disease has more people to spread that and increases the risk of outbreaks. And this is exactly what we are starting to see because of the anti-vax movement. We are starting to see outbreaks of diseases such as measles like we haven't seen in a long, long time. It's gotten so bad in the US that in fact people can't bring their children to school anymore if they aren't vaccinated. So in conclusion, vaccination does work. Vaccination is in fact safe. It's one of the most amazing medical discoveries of all time, and it not only protects us, but protects our communities through herd immunity. Thank you so much.